Koren-specific technique was developed by Dr. Ted Koren. It is constantly being developed and improved upon by himself and many other dedicated chiropractors from around the world. The difference between KST and traditional chiropractic techniques is that there is no twisting, turning, cracking, or popping of joints with KST. Instead, the patient receives gentle yet very specific corrections to the spine and structural system. Most of the adjustments are either done standing or sitting. KST corrects a serious form of nerve stress caused by distortions in your spine and body structure. This stress is known as a subluxation. Subluxations can cause physical and mental emotional malfunction. They are often associated with loss of energy, pain, weakness, and disease of all types. Subluxations are caused by physical, chemical, or emotional stress. The purpose of KST is to remove this stress from your body-mind complex so that you may become physically and mentally healthier. KST is very gentle and yet very powerful. Patients often see immediate, positive, long-lasting changes. The adjustments hold longer. There are immediate postural changes, even though that is not the main purpose of this technique. No over-adjusting happens with KST. When using KST, you can quickly, easily, and gently check and adjust a patient's body for subluxations, wherever they may be. This includes your cranial bones, TMJ, spinal column, sacrum, coccyx, discs, hips, sternum, femur heads, shoulders, knees, feet, hands, and anything else that might need adjusting. The arthrostim is the adjusting instrument used in KST. It has a stylus with many other attachments depending on which part of the body you're adjusting. It introduces 12 to 14 low force taps per second, which matches the somatomotor rhythm of the brain. This rhythm is associated with the inhibition of motor activity and muscle relaxation. The rhythm of the arthrostim also matches something called the Schumann resonance, also known as the healing frequency. The arthrostim is very gentle, so babies, infants, and children can be adjusted easily and safely. In KST, you will see dramatic retracing in patients. Retracing is when deep, unhealthy stresses leave a person's body. This is an essential part of the person moving toward health and wellness, for it involves expressing and releasing of unhealthy physical and emotional stresses. People have many layers, and at each visit, we correct what your body is revealing at that time. Sometimes past injuries, past distortions, past subluxations, and past physical and emotional symptoms may surface at later sessions. The way we analyze the patient is by using the occipital drop. The occipital drop is a binary neurological biofeedback device. What we do is challenge by gently moving a body part in various directions. And if the body part is out, then there is a positive occipital drop. Then we use the arthrostim to gently put it back into place. In traditional chiropractic, you're adjusted with either the right side up or the left side up. One of the major advantages in KST is that it permits you to be analyzed and adjusted in many different positions, such as standing, sitting, lying down, and in any position of injury or subluxation that a patient may have. The most important part of this is a person may only reveal a subluxation in the position that the injury occurred in, such as being seated in a car accident, golf swing, baseball bat swing, running, weightlifting, and many more to talk about. The other main advantage is KST can analyze or check the body for disc conditions. People who have suffered many years with disc problems have had miraculous results with KST. Everyone has a different response to a KST adjustment, but in general, many people notice a sense of ease, relaxation, a lighter feeling, able to breathe more deeply, an emotional release, and a sense of well-being as their structural system and subluxations release. Thank you very much for your time, and please seek out the closest KST chiropractor in your area. You will receive the best adjustment of your life.